guys, what's going on? Tony and Victor here with Str8upDriven. We're here to buy some toys for our event coming up this weekend, Cops and Toys. It's our second annual. Please check out our Instagram, our Facebook, like, share, and subscribe. Like to mention our sponsors, City Collision Center, CarPayday.com, Cafe Lou, Phase 9 Motors, and Creative House. Let's go buy some toys. Let's have some fun.
So Tony was saying that he really likes to play with Barbies when he was young. Definitely it's a little weird when Tony was playing with the Barbies. I don't know, half of them were missing at the end of the day, but who knows where he put them, you know?
You can't believe anything Victor says. I mean, he barely reaches the height requirement to be legally an adult. So, I mean, you gotta take it with a grain of salt.
He's 5'10", leave him alone.
5'10", exactly, I'm not short. He's just, there's a duplication of you right here, bro. I always wanted a bike when I was a kid, actually. And I would always ride my neighbor's bike. And might I say, my neighbor's a girl. And it was a purple bike, and I could barely touch the pedals. Not because I was short, I'm 5'10", all right, guys?
Definitely because you're short.
It was because I couldn't afford a bike. And I always wanted a bike, but I never got a bike. So
some lucky kid is gonna get a little radio flyer.
Is there any way?
I like it. I like it.
we're gonna need a lot more cars. Don't get excited.
Hey, suck it in when you're talking, bro. You gotta look bigger, bro.
I tried to do it, but he zoomed in. I saw him zooming, bro.
We can't all look like Jeff and just be naturally, you know, chiseled. Yeah, so we'll suck it in and, you know, try to look like Jeff. I don't know what's going on here.
We're gonna go more expensive this time. Alright guys, we made it. We made it through. We're living. It is 12 o'clock at night right now. No, I'm just kidding. It's 6 o'clock. We've been in there for how long now?
3.5 hours.
3.5 hours.
I was a little off on the time frame, but you know what? It was, wow. We thought we'd do 4 or 5 carts. We had over 9 carts. We had a budget that we wanted to do. We went over it, but that's okay. It's for a great cause. And we're excited to see all the happy faces at the toy drive. It's just all about joy. Jesus first, others second, yourself last, and you'll always have joy.
We'll talk to you guys soon. Happy holiday.
We're just stacking in Cars and Cops Toy Drive. It's the second annual for Str8upDriven. Thank you to Craig with Corona Cars and Coffee for having us. We had a lot more cars than expected. Every year it's getting bigger and bigger. We're still stacking cars in here, and then we're gonna do our drive afterwards. Check us out.
Good morning, Bob Newman, Chief of Police for the Corona Police Department. It's Kevin Stofila. I just want to say thank you to everybody that's come out to the Cars and Coffee event this morning. Really appreciate all the opportunities and the community coming together, all these car clubs and social groups, because without that we wouldn't be able to fill up our Bearcat trailers here for the kids to enjoy this Christmas season. So thank you very much.
Well, we're gonna get ready to give out some shirts and some of the maps for the drive. We're gonna do some canyons, we're gonna do some freeways, a little bit of everything just to mix it up, everybody have fun with their cars. We're gonna end at a private restaurant for lunch that's rented out privately for our event. So we're gonna get everybody ready for the drive and hit the road here in about 20 minutes. Come along, see what we're doing, have fun.
What's up, guys? Just got to our first destination. We made it. The Christmas tree made it. Everybody got here safely, so we're fueling up, getting ready to go, and we're gonna be hitting canyons now. So come along with the fun. Hopefully next time you guys join along too as well. See you guys soon.
Guys, I just want to thank you for coming out, supporting the second annual Toy Drive Cars and Cops. Really appreciate it. I mean, this is almost triple of what we had last year. So thank you so much for coming out. We really appreciate it. All the toys will be given away to kids. So if you actually want to see the toys go to the event and go to the actual kids, you're all invited to come out. If you have any questions, anything else, have fun and enjoy.